my dog, Skooby. He's a Chihuahua. I got him at 2006 when I was 11. When I turned 11, duh. So, yeah. He's saying hi. Say hi, Skooby. He's 4 or 5 years old. I've been like, he's like really cute. He loves to kiss. Good boy. And well, he loves to go outside. And always go to the bathroom, and I always have to clean it. Sometimes I don't clean it, like when it's like, you know, like a lot. You know what I mean. Okay, so here is Skooby. He really barks at somebody. He barks at like a new person, like when they come at the door, like, and when there's a doorbell, he like barks really loud. He's really an ankle biter too. So yeah. Here's my dog. Say hi, Skooby. I don't want you guys to look because you don't want to know why. You just don't want to know. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so here's my dog. Thanks for watching. Bye, Moonstar.